Hi guys, welcome to Step-by-Step PowerPoint. In this tutorial, we want to learn how to create great mind map for your presentation. Let's do it together. In first step, change your background. Right-click, Format Background. Now, I want to add texture on my background. Go to the Google, search texture, and choose your favorite texture. Right-click, copy, and paste it. And change its transparency. Now, we want to create this center. For this, go to the Insert, Shape, and choose this rectangle. Press Shift-click and make a square and then rotate it. Shape Fill, No Fill, Shape Outline, choose your favorite color, for example, this, and change its width. For completing this rectangle, I need 2 lines. Change its color and width. You can copy of this and then rotate it. You can group them by clicking on that 2 lines and Ctrl+G. For remove these parts, send them to the back. Oh, yes, that's great. Now, insert the shape. Press Shift, click, and draw a circle. Change its color. I need another line for this circle. Press Shift, put it here and make it bigger. Appropriate positions. And then no fill. And the outline is okay. We can change the color. Okay, we want to put them in center and middle. Click all shapes, go to the Align and click Align Center and Align Middle. Now they are in appropriate position. Click on Add Text and type your text. Change its font and size. You can add effect on your shapes. Go to the Shape Format, Text Effect, and add. Now we want to create these lines and these boxes and numbers and the other boxes that you see in this presentation. Go to your slide and insert line. Change its color and size. Copy of this line. For creating this box, go to the Insert, Shapes, choose Rectangle, and by pressing Shift clicks, you can draw a square, rotate this square, change its color, insert another circle, change its color, we need another circle inside of this created circle. Now fill and change its line, and now add text box. Repeat this for other lines. For creating these lines, insert shape, choose line, change its color and its width. Select both of them and do it for other lines too. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and then group them. Select both of them and Ctrl+G. Now we want to add box. Go to Insert, Shape, choose Rounded Corners. Change its color. For looking more attractive, I add these rounded lines. Go to the Shape Format, New Fill, and change the color, line of color, and also its width. You can copy of this rectangle. Now you can add your text. Draw lines and other boxes and text for other number that you have in your mind map. See the rest of this video. We want to add animation to our mind map. Go to the animation and choose your favorite animation for your mind map. For example, I choose change its duration. Go to the animation pane and play them. Start with previous. Choose that. And now we want to add animation for these two circles. And I start after previous. Now we want to add animation for these lines. Click them, choose animations and start after previous. I play my animation from the first. Choose the best direction for your PowerPoint is the key point. I choose start after previous for these lines, but for this line, I choose animation, choose the best directions, and then I changed it to start with previous for this. As you see, both of them play with each other. And zoom for these boxes. You can add animations to all these mind maps. Let's see the animation up to here. Now see the completed mind map. You can choose your favorite color animation for your mind map. By this mind map, you have professional presentation. Don't forget, subscribe our channel and like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.